Okay, so pretty much you're right here, right? So you click on the link, those will take you to the site. Then I already have an email one, so let's create another one. Let's say, starting with free. For this one, we'll just use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, sign up. Oh, there you go. That's what it should do. Then you should got an email. Then you'll go to your email. Okay. Okay. You go in here. Confirm email. Okay. Continue. Okay, so you get a discount. That's how you get a discount. So they'll drop it off from 75 bucks to I think like 65 bucks or something. Your first one. Okay, and we'll continue. Okay, there you go. Then you're gonna go right here to the instant. Right now you're gonna hit the claim. Okay, you're gonna go to instant funding. They said no accounts, right? No accounts. Let's do the claim now. So you get a discount. Boom. Then you get that's the 2001 that I said. Look, you get 2000. You go to euros. Well, depending on what you're doing, for 59 bucks plus tax. Uh, you could do the $5,000 one for 150. You could do the $10,000 one for $300. Then you could do the 25,000 for 695, and the 50,000 for 1,300. Remember, just remember, they go based on your daily drawdown, and you do not want to exceed your 5% daily drawdown, or no matter what account you'll have, you'll lose it and they'll close it, because this is a hedge fund and they are trading real life money, other people's money. Okay, so keep that in consideration. That's what I said. You can start this for 2,065 bucks. After you get 10%, they double it. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Get to the 4,000, and then from there, boom. But I'm gonna open now that I have this account. I'm gonna go in there and probably open up the 10,000 for 300 bucks. That's not bad. Okay, so now go back in here. So now I gotta turn this off. Okay, so we're gonna